So a couple of days have passed since we put in the headlights and the turn signal indicators. So I finally got these light brackets in from Xsprite, and we're going to install the fog lights. So it's a pretty straightforward install. You're going to take your bracket and then you're going to put that like that there, and then you got two mounting points here and here that you're going to screw into on the back side. I'll show you that in a minute. But let's get started and let's get these swapped out. So these are the lights that we're going to be taking out of there. Look around the back side. You can see there's a couple of T30 Torx bits. There's a one right there, and then there's one underneath right there. So we'll break those out. One and two. And now we just pull this little light off of here, squeeze this, pull that out, and that's it. So now we'll take this off and we'll get the other one mounted up and we'll install that back in the spot. So the lights come with a couple of different adapters. It comes with this adapter here. It just has two wires on the back end, and it also comes with this one, which plugs in there and has this type of plug that mirrors this one on the back of the OEM fog light. So the wiring on the Jeep will just plug directly into here. The light itself, what you do is you take two of these screws out, mount them up on the side there, and then it's ready to go. Then you put your two T30s back in here on the back side of the bumper, and then you still don't forget you got to aim them, and that should be it. Let's go put them back in. So once you have the wires clicked in there, ready to go, you take that one bracket, you mount it up, run your screw in, tighten it up a good bit. The other one, get it started, run it through. It's tight. Same with the other. Pull that one off. This one. Slide that in. Find your bracket. Undo your screws. I want to orientate it just a little bit, so I know the bracket goes on this side, right here. It says a DOT right there. Oh boy, just put that bad boy. Put that bad boy like that. And run the screws on this one. Tell you what helped me with this too, just I took the little end caps off of my anniversary bumper. So that's the little, okay, so that's tight. Here, I'll show you. So the ends there, they usually stick out over the tire. I took those off. I don't ride with those. That made it real easy to get to the back side right there. So let's get the lights and let's put them in. Still got to take that one off. All right, so let's put this in there. So we'll just slide it in and line it up with our mounting holes in there, like that. One of our screws, get it started. Take the other, get it started, and then we'll run them up. And the bottom. Alright, that's in, that's tight. Now we take the wires and we'll plug them in. Then after we do that, we'll come right here, and this is where we adjust the screw up and down to aim our light. We get you a better angle so we'll see this hook in. So now we take a look in here. There's at the top right here, there's a little nibbit right there. It's hard to see, but that's where this piece hooks onto. Just take and slide it on there. That's it. Throw a couple tie wraps on there. One there. Slide one a little bit further to the back. Cut the ends off. Tuck it back there. And there you go. Other side. So same thing on this side. Double it up. Couple tie wraps. Slide it over to the end a little bit. Covers the excess. And that's it. Okay. So now they're installed. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, nice. I just do a little aiming. And it should be okay. Well, so that's the fog lights. That's the headlights. That's the brights. Real big improvement from what it was. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.